Welcome to Mama's Priceless Parties. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and cleanest way to fill cupcake liners. My secret method is using a piping bag. So let me show you how. You will need a tall water bottle that is at least 24 ounces high, a 16-inch piping bag, and a clasp that locks. We are going to start by opening up the piping bag, so simply insert your hand inside the piping bag, and with it open, we're going to insert the piping bag into the water bottle. Make sure the tip of the piping bag goes to the bottom of the water bottle. Next, we're just going to open up that piping bag so that when we pour the batter will go to the bottom. You will also need a spatula. Now we are going to pour the cupcake batter into the piping bag. Aim for the center so that it reaches the bottom of the piping bag. And we're going to go to just above the top of that water bottle, and then I'm going to use my spatula, scrape it along the bowl so that I'm not dripping batter. Next, I'm going to take one hand on the piping bag and one hand on the water bottle and wiggle the piping bag out of the water bottle. Finally, I'm going to twist my piping bag and apply my clip. Make sure it's locked in place. Now we're ready to fill the cupcake liners. We are going to open the tip of the piping bag. So make sure the tip is straight up, and we're going to cut a small opening in the piping bag. Next, we're going to put the piping bag in the center of the cupcake liner and squeeze our batter out, filling the cupcake liner half full. Look at how easy it is to fill this cupcake liner. I can control the amount that is going in the liner. I am not getting a mess everywhere. This is the easiest and cleanest method, in my opinion, for cupcakes. I love this method. To find out the products and tools that I use in this video, check out the description box below. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Until next time, happy baking!